Hello everyone and welcome back to a new video here at FF Shore. I'm your host as usual, Mr. Callan, and today we will be camping only using a tarp. So right behind me here is where I will set up camp and you will come along for the ride. Let's go! I'm actually pretty impressed by the result and this deserves a pause. So I'll drink some latitude to get some more energy. It's actually perfect in height as well, so I can sit here without getting the tarp in my head. And the plan is to, here in front of me, build a campfire so I can cook some dinner tonight. I would say I'm about halfway done with the firewood. So now I'm gonna enjoy a hot cup of coffee. Before heading back to work, after my coffee break, I will actually do something that I loved doing when I was a kid, coming to the woods. You find a stream and then you make a boat that will travel down the stream, and you do it as a competition between your friends. But since I'm all alone here in the woods, I'll do it by myself. Here's the result. This is my boat. I'm actually very proud. Get stuck right here. Oh, the sail is gone. Keep going. It will probably be the last time someone saw that magnificent boat. Let me know in the comment section below if it's like a typical Swedish thing to do while being out in the woods as a kid, because I really enjoy doing it when I was younger. Now it wasn't really that funny. But usually we do it as a competition with friends. And now I'm all alone, so yeah, with no friends. So now I've had a cup of coffee, protein bar. I did my boat, sent it downstream. So yeah, I've had my bit of fun today. Now it's back to work. So now it's around 4 o'clock and it's -1 degree outside. Now all the firewood is done and it just started to snow. So right now I will be sitting here for a while, drinking some more coffee and just relax. For the first time, I will actually be trying to use this fire steel. I got it from a friend of mine, so let's try it out. So now it's around 5 o'clock. I think it's around -2 degrees, and I've just been chilling here by the fire, but now it's time to cook. And for today's dinner, we're making hot dogs. So I will go find a nice grill stick, and yeah, we will do dinner. This is like the best outdoor food you can make. It's really easy and it's really, really tasty as well. And look at this beauty. This is really good. So I've just finished my dinner. And right now I'll just sit here, relax by the campfire, and then I will head live on YouTube. So if you're new to the channel, make sure to follow and hit the notification bell so you don't miss out. Because every time I'm out doing my camping, I do live streams. The sun is setting and I think I have about 30 minutes left of any daylight at all. So I'll probably go and cut some more firewood before it's pitch black outside. So now it's getting late, it's been a really long day, and I'm heading to bed. I will see you guys tomorrow. Good morning, everyone. So now it's around 6 o'clock. The sun has started to rise. I'm starting to get a bit cold because the fire is out. So let's make a fire and let's make some breakfast. And for today's breakfast, we're eating oatmeal. And now we just need water. I'm getting really hungry at this time. And just like that, we got a breakfast. And just like that, the breakfast is finished. And I got this ginger shot from a follower of mine. So let's drink it. Now I will probably be healthy for at least another year. So I just finished my breakfast. I'm really full. And now I will just sit here, relax by the campfire, get warmed up. Oh, fuck. Yeah, get warmed up before heading my way back to the car. So that was it for today's episode. If you enjoyed the content, please leave a like, maybe even subscribe. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Ciao.